Bonus 2-pack kit. Contains masking tape, light sanding discs, wax protectant and more. For use on plastic lenses, headlights, taillights, fog lights, directional lights and more. 3M abrasive technology removes yellowing and buildup without damaging plastic lens surface. Easy to use, no tools required. TDS required. No. Save hundreds versus replacing headlight lenses. Scotch delicate surface painter's tape is great for surfaces that require a little extra care, such as wood floors, wallpaper, cabinets, painted drywall, and freshly painted walls, painted at least 24 hours ago. This delicate surface tape with gentle adhesive can stay on surfaces for up to 60 days and then removes easily without leaving any sticky residue behind. This tape features edge lock technology that seals out paint to deliver sharp paint lines and clean removal for your more sensitive projects, including accent walls, decorative stripes and patterns. Whether you're protecting your hardwood floors from paint splatter or going all out with a decorative mural, rely on Scotch delicate surface painter's tape for a professional look that's easy on your surfaces. Top reviews from the United States. Brilliant clear headlights. Works great to restore headlights. I've used this product several times over the years and the headlights work and look great when you're done. Last time I used it, I went the auto parts store and the clerk helped me bring something to my car. He commented that he thought I must have just put in new headlamp assemblies. I replied, nope, I just cleaned them with the 3M kit. I finish it with Meguiar's clear coat.